Now, some people are going to say, oh, but Donald, you can't criticize the DA because the DA fixes your potholes. Shut the fuck up. Like, the DA invented cement, you losers. It's a local colored or black guy fixing my potholes. You are doing shit. You can give your salaries to them. Go read your Angela Merkel biography and fuck off. These junior counselors from Misverstandam telling me how it is. Asseblief. By the way, this DA official that's closing these small lanes on the N1 and the N2 to blow leaves, so people can blow leaves. In my opinion, that person should be executed for high treason. I can see you're filling your disabled quota with these appointees. There's clearly someone mentally retarded over there. Fucking stupid. Either that guy's going to be executed, or ek gaan hom self vind, en ek gaan 'n leafblower aansit en by sy hol opdruk. One of the most annoying things ever created. You guys brag about balanced budgets. Ooh, balanced budget, balanced budget. You know what's another word for a balanced budget? Not stealing money from taxpayers. That's another word. Right? If I was the president of South Africa, I would make stealing money a capital offense. I would get someone from Mongolia, expert sword fighter, and I would decapitate you in the streets if you stole money from taxpayers. So you can be glad you're getting your balanced budgets, and I'm not the president of South Africa.